Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting both devices ready. Update Mac OS and watchOS so features match. Sign into the same Apple ID, then enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. These let the devices discover each other. Make sure both batteries sit above half so nothing dies mid-process. Once done, open the Watch app on the Mac or go to System Settings Bluetooth and look for your watch. This first step removes common blockers and gets you straight into pairing without delays. You'll now pair and set preferences. Choose the watch from Bluetooth or the Watch app and confirm the numeric code that appears on both displays. This prevents wrong connections. After pairing, enable handoff and unlock with Apple Watch to streamline workflows. These settings let you authenticate, continue tasks, and view notifications seamlessly. Next, pick which apps and complications to sync. Keep essential ones to reduce background load, and allow you finish by validating functionality. Check messages, mail, control center, and watch-specific apps to ensure data flows both ways. If something's missing, restart the Mac and Watch first. That resolves most transient issues. Should problems persist, unpair and repair the watch, but treat that as a last resort because it triggers a fresh sync. One key troubleshooting tip: if connectivity or sync fails repeatedly, reset network settings or sign out of your Apple ID, and sign back in to clear stale authentication tokens.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.